Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to write undetectable AI content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create completely undetectable AI content. Google will have no clue if it's written by an AI and neither will humans. Want proof? An AI content piece pulled 100% guaranteed AI score before I work my magic on it. Then after I use just one of the techniques I'll show you in this video, we now have 100% original. When you produce high-quality undetectable AI articles, you can generate enormous amounts of content like it's no one's business, which is going to sprout a massive traffic boner for your website. So you can then start printing money like Powell. Now there's multiple ways that people claim they can beat AI detection tools, such as rewriting the content with Quillbot, the emoji trick, and quite a few more. I'm going to test each of them out to see which ones work. But first, let's generate some AI content and plug it into each of the detection tools so we can get a baseline. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate my test content. Here's my prompt. Write me an article on life after death. And here's the content. Now let's go on over to originality.ai to see if it busts me red-handed for using AI. Plop in the content here, let it run, and here we go. Originality says there's 100% chance it's AI and 0% original. Let's start to do some magic tricks to see if I can improve this score. The first technique I'm going to use is Quillbot for rewriting your content. You do this by going to Quillbot, dropping or pasting in your content, and then just hit paraphrase. And just like that, we got this new content on the right. Just copy this new text and paste it back into Originality. Originality said it was 100% fake before, now it's 95% real. That was easy. Now let's move over to testing some of the free techniques. The following few are all under the umbrella of telling the AI not to write like an AI. Starting with perplexity and burstiness. There's this post on Medium where the author shared the following prompt to pre-train your AI before it starts word vomiting. Hey ChatGPT, regarding generating writing content, 2 factors are crucial to be in the highest degree. Perplexity and burstiness. Perplexity measures the complexity of the text. Separately, burstiness compares the variations of sentences, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Next, copy this paragraph, drop it into your AI tool, and then ask it to create a content. Based on the above, write me an article on life after death. Originality says it's 78% AI, which is an improvement from the 100% before. Next, you have another pre-training prompt that tells the tool how to write like a human. Try to sound like a human writer, writing for a blog, writing in the first person, giving advice. Try to sound unique and write in an unpredictable fashion that doesn't sound like GPT-3. Here's how I perform. For test case, it's screw the pooch. How about if we ask the AI itself how to write undetectable AI content? What are the key attributes of conversational content that is undetectable as being written by an AI? ChatGPT tells you that this content would include contextual understanding, variety in responses, emotional intelligence, etc. And then you ask it to generate your content. Before I show you the result, let me introduce to you our product, AI Collective. I know that you've been using ChatGPT and maybe you even have a paid subscription and you're paying $20 a month, but AI Collective will blow everything to dust because it is a one single front end for everything that is AI. It connects with OpenAI's GPT platform and including GPT-4 and when it's available, GPT 3.5 and all the other versions, as well as Hugging Face, which is a marketplace for AI models to give you access to literally unlimited AI models, whether it's for images or text, because AI Collective not only supports chats but also images, so you can generate your images right within AI Collective. You can create articles, headlines, emails, sales copy, outreach messages, letters, social media posts, legal docs, scripts, etc. Going back, now we're talking based on all the simple pre-training exercises we've used so far. Asking the AI directly how to pass detectors gives the most consistent result. What if we ask the almighty AI how to fix content that's already written? Let it first write your content in vanilla mode. Then you ask it to rewrite the above content so that it is not detected as AI content by AI content writers. And here's the result. This is our best performing technique so far. Simply asking the AI to rewrite itself for passability results in great scores for all the tools. And that's it. So what do you think of this video? Please comment down below. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you AI Collective. Why only ChatGPT? There are a number of AIs out there, and AI Collective is compatible with most of them. And we are adding new ones constantly. Get the best answer from any AI. AI Collective does everything. It creates articles, write emails, write blog posts, write social media content, get answers to any question, get HTML and coding solutions, create logos, memes, social images. AI Collective helps creators get better results for every project. So track AI Collective now. Go to getaicollective.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.